Assalamualaikum, nama I Shikin. I adalah legal advisor di sebuah syarikat swasta dan sekarang berusia 38 tahun. Saya ada seorang anak perempuan, usia dia 3 tahun. So far, of course, pekerjaan tu busy lah pada office hour which is 9 to 6. But how I spend time with my daughter adalah I akan make sure I akan siapkan kerja cepat and then and on time so that I can pick her up from play school and then I akan spend the whole night lah dengan dia. Contohnya kita akan buat aktiviti macam have dinner together and then akan spend time dengan membaca, read to her and join her play together lah at home. Okay, of course lah ada masa yang kita sangat sibuk, especially kalau if I need to go outstation. So I think at this juncture is very important untuk communicate with husband because one of us, we have to make sure that one of us must be with our daughter. And then especially during weekend, bila dah tak ada kerja, Sabtu Ahad cuti, kita akan balance balik lah. We akan spend the whole day with our daughter together doing activities either outside ataupun dekat rumah.